Welcome back to another very boring and domestic 32-year-old lady video. You don't need a cough back
You're in
there.
trouble because I'm mic'd up back here.
Oh no, I forgot.
You're in trouble.
Oh, no. So happy Aries season. Julian's birthday is on April 17th, but we are celebrating this weekend. We are turning into Hotel J&J. There's at least 6 people coming from out of town. We're gonna have a big Julian birthday party. So I don't know if you've ever tried to just like order a vegan and gluten-free birthday cake, but it's not really a thing. And Julian told me, I was like, I'd love to make you a cake for your birthday, for your party. What do you think about just like funfetti cake, like regular birthday cake? And he said he's never had it before.
I'll tell you what I've had. Vanilla cake, I've had chocolate cake, I've had ice cream cake. I've never had anything called funfetti.
I thought you were gonna list every cake you've ever had.
Hold on, I'm not done. I've had coffee cake. Okay. I've had angel food.
Okay, we're making you a cake. It's like funfetti. It's vanilla with vanilla frosting, which I know you like.
I do like that.
But it's just gonna have rainbow sprinkles in it, so it's more fun. Birthday
I'm
flavored.
excited. Birthday flavor.
This is not Aries kitchen, okay? I know it's Aries season, but I'm baking you a birthday cake. I wanna do it nicely. I wanna make you something nice. You're already stressing me out.
I'm standing completely still.
I got Julian for his birthday custom chef coats that say Chef Julian Aries Kitchen. A nice little toe coat. You see the back? It says tornado back here. Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
You look really nice.
I like it a lot.
Is it gonna be difficult for you to just like whatever you're doing not?
What's the time on that flour? What's the
Okay.
cook time? We got 3 orders up and
So I looked up a recipe on Pinterest for a gluten-free vegan funfetti cake. Someone's already done it. Amazing. I love Pinterest. But I was thinking, because I'm making an actual cake for your actual party, I think it's kind of rude for all of our guests if I bring out a cake with candles in it and there's several bites already taken out of it. Why don't we like 1.5 the recipe and I'll make us some cupcakes so we can actually try the cake today and see if it's any good, and if it's bad, we just won't serve it to anyone for your birthday.
or it could be a prank and we'll serve it and it'll be bad on purpose.
Okay, that's terrible. No.
So cupcakes today, prank later.
A lot of you guys like when we just do cooking videos because they're fun and relaxing. It's what I like to watch on YouTube because I'm a 32-year-old lady. So this recipe that I'm using is from Loving It Vegan on Pinterest. I preheated my oven to 350 and I'm gonna spray my 2 cake pans. Julian, would you like to be my Susan chef? It looks like you're not paying attention to me.
You would be right.
I need you to spray the outsides of these pans and then
Okay.
put a circle of parchment paper at the bottom of them. So while Julian does that,
Happy birthday to me.
I don't know if we're gonna have enough flour.
Are we low on flour?
We're really low in flour.
What's the total amount of cuppage?
I'm gonna do 3 1/4. This is so much nicer than what we were doing to sift flour, which was just shaking it through a small strainer over and over again. So your girl leveled up at Target and got herself a flour sifter. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of fatiguing my arm a little. I know you're dying inside right now to cook this in 4 seconds, but it's your birthday cake. I have to bake it for you. 3 cups of sugar. Oh my God.
This will be for me. Can I snack on this?
Absolutely not. Put these back in the pantry for your birthday. Happy birthday.
Ask me for the sugar.
No.
Ask me for the sugar.
All right, can I have the sugar?
Oh, I wish you. I'm so glad I'm not mic'd right now. It would suck if you could hear this.
You are mic'd.
Y'all asked me to be mic'd off camera. Well, be careful what you wish for.
And 3/4 of a tablespoon of salt. Now we need soy milk, oil, and vinegar, and vanilla. It's just so.
Do we have enough vinegar?
I don't think so. We use it to clean our humidifiers upstairs, so that's why we have so much vinegar.
Birthdays be like. That's disgusting.
1.5 tablespoons of white vinegar, please.
It's okay if I do a lot more though, right?
No. I think one of the nicest things about your mom, like there's 6 kids in your family. You have a brother and a sister, and then you have 3 stepbrothers and sisters.
Yes.
And it's always somebody's birthday. It's always something for an occasion for a cake. And your mom is always constantly making cakes and food and stuff for somebody's something.
Yeah, she a good mom. You're so precise.
It's baking. You can't just like slop stuff in there. Hello?
I disagree wholeheartedly.
Okay, that's why your Aries cookie that you cooked came out just like
Delicious, and it's still in the freezer. You want some for snack on?
no. When I was a kid, I always wanted like an ice cream cake. That was like super cool, and cookie cakes were super cool too.
My mom used to make us ice cream cake.
Really?
It's like it's such a process because the temperature is so important when you make that.
How
So
do
as
you
not to,
even
like-
make an ice cream cake?
Well, I think what she did is she would like bake a flat piece of cake, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you put ice cream in it and then roll it up and put it in the freezer.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Get the rainbow sprinkles and measure me 3/4 of a cup.
There's just like no calories and stuff.
Yeah, no calories whatsoever. Are you excited it's your birthday?
I'm so excited.
You're turning 27.
I feel so special.
I met you when you were 20 years old, and now you're 27.
What a ride. I'm in my late 20s now, right? Is that what 27 is?
Time isn't linear, it's cyclical. It doesn't matter. It's just whatever you feel like. I think as you get older too, you just realize that what's actually important in life, and that's just like how much it means to have someone come spend time with you, you know?
100%.
As much as I
Missy-
told you to get 3/4 of a cup of sprinkles ready for me, you just ate them. I also think like when I was a kid, I really liked, you know, the idea of getting a store-bought cake was super appealing because I don't know, it was like special. It's like your special day. Now that I'm an adult, I feel like when someone makes you a cake, it really is the most special.
Yeah, because like as an adult, you know what went into doing that, and it
Yeah.
wasn't easy.
Well, I also was the kid that like my mom used to help me make all my Halloween costumes. So it was nice every once in a while to just go to a store and buy something. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, you walk by that section of cakes at the bakery every day when you go shopping, and you never get to have it. But when it's your birthday, that's yours.
I know. Do you want to taste this?
Yeah, it's good, right?
It doesn't taste like cake batter. It tastes very like gluten-free and vegan. Okay. We pour these into the cake pans. So here we go. I've never actually baked you a cake. I'm really excited. Oh, is that a lot?
Yeah, maybe stop.
It looks really nice though. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
And then I'll use this for a few cupcakes.
Yeah.
Oh God. Does that look even? Rosanna Pansino, come help me, please.
Cake number 1, cake number 2. We're gonna stack them later after they cook. But over here, this is for tonight.
I don't know how much these will rise either. I never bake. Such a terrible housewife. What's so funny, Julian?
Bake more, wife.
We're not married. We're just friends, Julian. I
I can
love.
tell we're not married by the amount you don't bake. Okay, I'm sorry. When I posted my picture of the gift you got me for my birthday, I just saw way too many comments saying friendship goals.
You put the baking soda in, right? I did.
Okay, because I definitely didn't. I did not touch the
They
baking
just come
soda.
out like hard little birthday biscuits.
Dog biscuits.
Well, so this Pinterest account that I got this recipe from said that if you're making a funfetti cake like this, that the best kind to use are like the jimmies, like the actual sprinkles, because then you get the little streaks of color.
Yeah, this ain't gonna get you the streaks, but you can still eat these out of the bottle if you want. I'll show you. I'll demonstrate.
Okay. What's something that you've learned in your 27 years of life?
You'd be so blown away and surprised at some of the things that you might be wrong about. For me, I like always had a way of doing things and the way of making my decisions, but then I think one of the things I've learned in my 20s is taking the time of day to listen to how other people do things can be incredibly enlightening.
I feel like the older you get, the more you realize you don't know shit.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, here we go. Oh, dear Rosanna Pansino, please help my cakes come out okay. Thank you, Lord and Savior Rosanna Pansino. Our cakes are baking. They need to come out and cool because we've all seen MasterChef and MasterChef Junior. When they frost the cake and it's still hot, it's gonna melt and be a big mess. So I need 4.5 cups.
Powdered sugar is so fun to look at. Oh my God, 4.5. Honestly, I'm so blown away that this has no calories.
A cup of vegan butter. No big deal, no big deal. Ooh, ooh.
Say hello to the Stairmaster, me.
Babe, that's not helpful.
I do what I do, and you do what you can do about it.
Oat milk. And I need vanilla. Oh,
Did you put too much vanilla?
So I got some extra bowls so we can Rosanna Pansino and make different colors because we got some nice little food colorings so that we can decorate your cake really nice.
How many colors are we doing?
We're gonna make like most of it white for your cake, and then we'll just do some nice little different colors so we can have fun.
To pipe with?
Yeah, to pipe with.
Ooh, pipe it up.
Okay, uncalled for. I put too much oat milk into the frosting, and I think it's gonna be too thin. I'm sure Rosanna Pansino has done this many times. Our cakes have come out clean. Our cupcakes are out. Beautiful. I'm excited. I don't think I've ever actually frosted a cake. You know, sometimes you don't have to do it to them like that. No, you don't have to do it to them. Julian, what's that paper towel doing?
Dude, just living its life, dude.
No,
Happy birthday, paper towel.
Put it somewhere.
Babu.
Julian, I don't think I'm supposed to let them cool all the way in here. Ooh. Oh!
Damn,
Wait,
that was
that's
nice.
beautiful. I haven't decided if we're gonna do the thing. You know, some people cut off the top of it so that it's flat, but like, it's a homemade cake. Hello, I'm not Rosanna Pansino. I've been over here praying to Rosanna Pansino that she can hear me and help me. Oh, I'm doing it. Oh. That's so beautiful. We'll just let it hang out then. You wanna hang out with me?
Let's hang out.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Look at my nails.
What happened?
It was the freak softball accident. Julian said, you want to go play catch? And I said, I don't want to. I'm going to break my nails. And he said, come on, pitch to me, because Julie's a catcher and I'm a pitcher. I really pushed my luck. I broke them all. And I like put a crick in my neck from just hucking it too hard. Being a 32-year-old lady, it's really difficult sometimes.
Did you just sing that in the middle of a sentence?
Yeah. All right. We did it. I didn't break them in half. I don't even know. Thank you, Lord and Savior Rosanna Pansino, for sending me good vibes. Okay.
Look at you go.
Look at me go. Should I let them sit for...
What happened?
I'm breaking it a little.
Well, you're like throwing it around like a basketball.
It tastes really good.
It does. It tastes
The
yummy.
batter, I was a little worried about because it tasted very gluten-free and vegan.
No, it came
But
out
this
really good.
tastes really good. So for those of you that are really good at baking cakes, I know this doesn't seem like a big accomplishment, but to me it is. Okay, so something I don't understand really is like the ratio of the frosting in the middle here. You know, like how much do you put in here? Do you like this cake stand I got at Target, but there's something in the top of it that looks like a hair? It's weirding me out.
It's like melted into the glass. Whatever that is, I don't know what it is. It looks like a hair. It's fine. You want me to flapjack this one on top?
Okay, I don't like this. I don't like this method. It's breaking. So I don't have a thing to frost, obviously, but I do have a cream cheese spreader. This is like a lot of pressure.
Oh, it's sliding.
This is hard. It's kind of lopsided. Hey, what are you
I'm
doing?
just pushing it a little bit. Offside.
Why are you pushing
I'm
it?
just giving it a little nudge. It's gotta go to college. You gotta nudge it out of the nest. Go to college.
Doesn't have to go to college.
Gotta go to college.
Why is it leaning?
This isn't, you know,
We're gonna wake up in the morning and it's just gonna have slid off. Why don't we push this side down a little?
Oh my God, what did you just do?
I wrecked it.
You just like, oh my God, you stabbed him.
How's that look?
It looks so good. Okay, so for our color tutorial, you're gonna flip this right over the cake. High stakes flip makes it always better. Put a little bit of frosting, 2 spatulafuls.
That's pretty, isn't it, Julie?
Yeah, it's nice.
How yellow do you want this? Do you want it like a pastel or you want it brighter?
Pastel,
than that?
pastel, 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 pastel.
Okay. Now we have pink, yellow, and blue.
Oh, this one tastes like blueberry.
No, it doesn't. This is so much work.
It is a lot of fucking work.
People just like do this for fun, for like on a Tuesday. I'm making a mess.
Don't look.
No. I just cleaned the, oh, okay. It's like way too like soft and mushy to do this. All right, just put any tip on and just, this looks terrible. Rosanna Pansino, come help
Are we
me.
keep her at my name?
Yes, you can. You know what? We were doing okay, and now I feel like we're failing.
No, we're doing good.
It's gonna slide off the cake. It's already sliding.
It's not sliding.
It is sliding.
It's sliding. You can do a spiral. So this is the far end, and then it just goes more inward.
No.
Come on, come on, come on. That's the only way to rescue it from falling.
Okay,
Cover
right?
Julian with no eye.
Yeah, where you want to write it? Just write it right in the middle. Just
Right in
write.
the middle.
Oh, I don't understand.
This one's gonna be in cursive.
There you go. Oh my God,
Oh God.
that's not helping.
I'm gonna underline it just so
No,
people know
okay,
that's my
all right,
birthday.
underline it. Perfect. Do you want to? Okay, that's really nice. Actually, I like that. That's really nice, Julian.
Oh, is it video?
What if we just left it like that?
Can I drop shadow the Julian?
Julian, no.
Can I please drop shadow it?
What? What? Stop, no. Good, done, stop. Okay.
Oh, you ruined the pattern. Look at that cake, dude.
That looks...
Wait, can we do a bottom line one of just green? I'm gonna need you to spin the cake thing for me, okay?
You're squeezing it so
Go, go,
hard.
go.
Julian, you're squeezing it. You're
Hold on,
wasting
the speed limit is 25 and this, you're exceeding the speed limit.
Julian,
this is a school zone.
you
You
just-
just went 65.
Stop it. We need that for the cupcake.
I want sprinkles only on the side, so let's just like shoot them and then you rotate, okay? Ready, go. I love it. Don't you love it?
It's gonna fall
Is it
over.
falling?
Yes, it's falling.
It's the Leaning Tower of Julian. All right, well, we did it though.
We did, but now let's get a cupcake.
Okay.
Oh, Julian, this is a mess. All right, why don't you cut one open so we can see what it
Ooh,
looks
cross
like?
section?
Yeah.
Can I show them my new knife? Guys, this is my new knife. This is my new knife.
We did it! Wait, that looks good.
We did funfetti.
So this will be a test of what your cake is gonna taste like.
Okay.
Hopefully it's good, and if it's bad, we don't have to eat it because it already just doesn't look right.
Mine's delicious. What does yours taste like?
Really good. This is really good. It's something we can feed our friends for sure and not be super embarrassed.
More importantly, it looks really good.
I think it looks mediocre at best, Julian.
It's really
It
good.
tastes like birthday cake. It's really tasty.
I mean, in my mind, thinking about how this was going to taste, this is the best case scenario.
Really?
I can't believe we made a cake.
Lots of people make cakes. We just don't because we're lazy.
I feel so loved. This is my language. We were talking about language of love. This is it. Cooking and food, that's my language of love.
I don't think that's one of the love languages. Mine's like quality time. Your love language is food and cooking.
Food and cooking.
We're just friends.
We're gonna have our first friend kiss.
Okay.
Hold on, we need fireworks. I'm just a DJ, but I bring a stove to the concert. Subscribe. Oh, it's happening! I love you so much!
This was the energy this video was not meant to be, Julian.
We're just friends. Stop it. No kisses. Shut up! Thank you guys for coming out. I feel special because we have the cake and this was a lot of fun, but also I feel very official in my outfit. Thank you for coming to Harry's Kitchen and being a part of my workflow.
Don't lean against that. That's how you're gonna turn the gas on, Julian.
With this butt?
This was very fun for me because I realized this is the first time I've ever baked and iced a cake myself, and it is incredibly difficult. It is like everything else on YouTube that you see that seems like it should be easy, and it is just so hard. It's like punishing. It punished me for every mistake that I made. Thank you for joining me for another beautiful, wonderful 32-year-old lady domestic activity.
And a 27-year-old man with very fast and deteriorating vision.
Okay, it just doesn't have the same. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put it every Wednesday/Thursday.
How about we put our hips together and you use your left hand and I use my right hand and we floss as one?
No,
Come on, come on.
Julian, this is like something someone's cringy parents do. I don't, this
You go
is
that way?
terrible.
You go that way?
Is it my turn to say cut? Cut! Cut and delete that on the internet forever. Get out.
Come clean up the sugar. You left it out.
All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.